Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Abu Garcia Fishing Reel. The Abu Garcia Fishing Reel is strong and lightweight that features an X2 Craftic alloy frame construction, an Onfini 2 aluminum spool design that delivers high drag pressure that's efficient in handling extreme loads. It has a dual braking system and a gear ratio of 6.6 to 1 up to 7.3:1. If you're casting a heavy bait, its Dura-Clutch design helps in reducing thumb bar resistance for smooth and comfortable casting and reeling. The fourth generation of Revo SX delivers the most powerful, durable and high-performance SX yet. The improved Dura-Clutch design along with an upgraded Onfini brake system result in smooth engagement along with effortless casting performance. The D2 gear design paired with a brass main gear delivers the ultimate in durability and efficiency resulting in less effort and more power. Revo SX is topped off with the Key Power Stack carbon matrix drag system and is available in 2 gear ratios. The Revo SX comes equipped with a Power Stack carbon matrix drag system that allows for a very smooth, consistent pressure across the entire drag range with a max drag of up to 24 pounds to stop any fish. A thicker carbon washer also extends drag durability and performance. Our second best baitcaster reel is Piscifun Torrent baitcasting reel. With its corrosion-resistant stainless steel springs, screws, highly precision-cut gears, and optimal shielded bearings, the Piscifun is one of the most heavy-duty baitcasting reels at the most reasonable price. It's powerful with its 7.1:1 gear ratio partnered up with 5 magnets for backlash control. Advanced 4-washer gives the low-profile baitcasting reel physically powerful 18 pounds carbon fiber drag to handle the big fish you are after. Industrial durable strength, climate-resistant Japanese Hami-cut 3604 brass gears, these are all top-quality gears you expect for baitcaster fishing reels. Low-profile design baitcaster featuring 5.3:1 gear ratios specifically designed for the versatile angler. The 5.3:1 gear ratio is a true workhorse offering the torque you need for any deadly slow rolling technique. Unique side plate oil port for prolonged maintenance for novice to pro to maximize your baitcast reel life and performance. Third pick in our list is KastKing Royale baitcasting reels. The KastKing Royale is suitable for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. It has a fast gear ratio of 7.0:1 that ensures a fast and smooth casting and reeling. This baitcaster reel is known as the Grand Touch with its soft and comfortable aluminum alloy handle and high-grade EVA knobs. For optimum casting control, it utilizes a dual brake system and an adjustable magnetic brake. New design KastKing Royale Legend GT baitcaster reels puts you first with outstanding performance, great looks, superb comfort and feel at an affordable price. You will love the carryover low-profile casting reel design from the KastKing Royale Legend 2 fishing reel. One look and you know this is the baitcast reel. KastKing developed incredible synthetic soft grip handles for the Royale Legend GT casting reel. Their remarkable feel led to the name, Grand Touch. It will give you a great grip in any situation, and allows you to fish all day long with a comfortable grip. Grand Touch handle grips are mounted on a strong 95.5mm 6061 aluminum alloy handle. Fire magnets for baitcaster braking efficiency and superior casting control. A low-profile palmable of just 1.65 inch height above the reel seat, and a total weight of only 7.2 ounces. Combine those fishing tournament features with a quadruple disc carbon drag that delivers a whopper stopping 17.6 pounds of drag for an incredible value in baitcasting reels. Number 4 in our side is Shimano Curado K baitcast reel. The Shimano Curado reel is known for its unique CastSmart digital control technology that monitors the spool speed to ensure that the right amount of brake is applied at the right distance and prevents backlash. This is the best casting reel for all skill levels with its ease of use, durability, and performance. Built tournament tough, this low-profile baitcasting reel is the benchmark for durability and reliability, which is why generations of anglers have looked to Curado as their trusted partner. Featuring Shimano's latest technology such as the super smooth, efficient, and durable micro-module gearing. Employs SVS Infinity braking system, providing easy to manage and consistent spool control and brake force for precision casting with lighter lures, as well as precise adjustments when switching baits or a change in condition. Utilizes X-Ship technology to improve durability and long-lasting performance, as well as a smoother, more powerful retrieve, making this the go-to casting reel for both freshwater and saltwater action. The micro module gear system creates a smooth retrieve. The new gear set makes use of smaller teeth and more of them. This means that there are more contact points between the drive gear and pinion gear. The result is a more efficient gear train with less gear feel. Number 5 in our top 5 best baitcaster reel list is Fishing Baitcasting Fishing Reel. The Concept Z, touting a zero bearing design, is no exception. It is a flashy red baitcaster with a great looking matte black handle and knobs. CZB technology replaces all ball bearings with proprietary new space-age polymer material. This bait casting reel casts significantly farther than reel with traditional ball bearings. This light fishing reel was constructed using Ocean Armor 2 saltwater protection process to fight corrosion. The 6-way centrifugal braking system allows adjustment of the 6 pins of the braking system from under the beetle wing side plate. Both the frame and gear side plates of the Concept Z are made out of aluminum, making it incredibly lightweight yet durable against the elements and strong enough to handle large fish. The Concept Z uses solid polymer bearings in place of ball bearings. A solid bearing has no place for dirt and debris to build up and clog the bearings, reducing the performance of your reel. This technology is impressive and has now been a top performer for several years, proving the hype was real. On the fishing side, the Concept Z has proven to be more than capable. Casting is a breeze, thanks in part to a unique arrowhead line guide and waffle spool. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.